Take a moment to check out the 2023 Nissan Armada. Indulge your love of the strong silent type. This handsome Armada offers remarkable capability, yet still gives you a refined, upscale passenger experience that's smooth and serenely quiet. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: sun moonroof, navigation system, keyless entry, power liftgate, satellite radio, premium sound system, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, backup camera. Make every adventure all it can be in this luxurious and powerful Armada. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.